It's a beautiful, it's Saturday, right? It's a beautiful Saturday morning. It is, okay. Beautiful Saturday day. I think we're going to work on Derek's 67 Mustang. We got a list of some things we want to do to it before, I don't know, I guess the end the cruising season's done this year, but we're going to just get some stuff done to it before we put it into storage. I'll finish off the exhaust today. I think I got collector gaskets here and make it kind of so they're even. We weren't getting full throttle. We're only getting like 3/4 throttle, so I think we got a plan to figure that out today. I'm going to put the drive shaft back in it. One of our subscribers recommended that since we changed it from a 3-speed to a 4-speed that the speedometer gear might be different, so I'm just going to unplug it for right now. That way we don't wreck it. There's just a few other little things we're going to do to it today, and hopefully today or tomorrow maybe we'll go for a ride and just see what's what with it. But we're just starting to button up some loose ends on this thing. So, like I said, we should have been on this since the springtime, but it's now what, September, middle of September, so oh well. Next year, 2021, big things happening.
Okay, so the problem we're having, I'm pretty sure it's an easy fix, but is when you step on the gas, the throttle linkage goes that much, but then you can bring it that much still.
And that's the fun zone.
So we got to figure out if we have to bend this linkage or just adjust it. We'll figure that out and get back to you. Okay, we pulled out the throttle linkage. That's basically where the gas pedal goes, and that hooks up to the rod that goes to the carburetor. So what we ended up doing is, hold that, we ended up bending it right here, so this goes further away from the motor towards the firewall, and that gave us clearance, more clearance to bring the pedal or the pedal up and this toward the carb. So a little tweaking there. So we'll put it back in and see if we have the correct amount of bend. Might have to pull it out and do another bend, but we'll see it. In the car. Yeah, I gotta go in the car to fit it in the...
Okay. Well, we're gonna try.
Okay, push it.
Good. You guys done? Oh.
Hey, put a couple bolts in the bracket just to test it.
Oh boy. Oh yes.
Okay, that's just loosened. And we'll go get the...
So, that might be alright.
Okay. Screwdriver, tighten that up.
When?
Okay, so what we did, basically, it doesn't look like it, but we actually bent this toward the firewall, and then brought it back, and that allowed the gas pedal to raise up, so we get more clearance from the gas pedal to the floor. Because what the problem was, the gas pedal was going to the floor and it was only going half throttle. So we're gonna check. I will push on the gas and see if the carb opens. Okay, here we go. Pushing on the gas. That's all there.
Do it again. More? Yeah, that's wide open.
Okay. Problem solved.
One thing down.
One little annoying thing down. Okay, got the throttle linkage all done. I even taped up this wiring a little bit and made a clamp just so it sticks up. I just got to fix up that little bit of wiring here. That's done. Corey fixed up the exhaust leaks underneath. So the next thing is to put the drive shaft back in. We put the seal, brand new seal in the transmission, and oiled up that at the end. So we'll just throw that in, and then we got to pull the speedo cable out because we got to get a new gear. Since it's a 3-speed to a 4-speed swap, we found out the gear was not the right one.
The exhaust fought me, but I was victorious and I won. Oh, me?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, we buttoned up everything. The drive shaft's in. I'm not happy with the exhaust, but I think next year, it's been patched a bunch of times, so I think next year we're just going to get new pipes and make new bend over the axles, and because it's kind of, we're not happy with it, but for right now, it's all right. We'll try firing it up and see if after all this work, to see if the transmission actually does work. Fingers crossed. So I guess, yeah, we've done all the stuff under the hood there. So yeah, if you want to fire it up, hopefully. See what a $100 transmission gets. First.
We've got brand new rims and tires. We've got Torque Thrust 2 rims to go on it. One of them? Yeah. Alright, so, yeah. It could be just a bulb issue, and only one brake light.
Yeah, I remember that from last year.
Okay. Yeah, it's just grounds or brake or lights. That was one of the little things we have to just go over and do all the minor things.
Hey, you want to get this car off the lot? You know what kind of people it attracts? Move along, people. Got a few teeth off.
Checking out 4-speed. make it before we drive it. But the $100 4-speed seems to be working perfectly. Still gotta put the shifter loop. You can see the exhaust down there and the road. This car has ever driven since we rebuilt it. This would beat Corey's 55 Pontiac if it didn't spin the tire.
And I've got shitty gears at the moment.
Concludes a little drive. Excellent.